Welcome to Mindfulness Flow, day 210 of the 365 Days Meditation Challenge. Today's meditation is about gently noticing the world around you without needing to change or judge anything, just being aware. Let's begin by taking a slow, deep breath in and exhale softly. Let your eyes rest on something nearby. A color, a shape, or a texture. Just notice it. Now, listen. Can you hear a sound? Let it come and go like a wave. There is nothing you need to do. You are simply here, awake, present, and noticing. When you're ready, gently bring yourself back to this moment and carry this soft awareness with you throughout your day. Thank you for joining me on Mindfulness Flow. I'll see you tomorrow for another day of inner peace.